Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily and simply log out of Instagram on your mobile device. Friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and please write your comments at the end of the video. So, let us get started with you. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. After that, you will need to navigate to your page. To do this, in the bottom right corner, tap on your image. Next, in the top right corner, tap on the three bars. And then go to Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to the very bottom here. At the very bottom, you'll be able to see an exit button. Click on that. And now to completely log out of your Instagram page, you'll just need to confirm the action by clicking on the word log out again. After that, you will instantly log out of your Instagram page on any mobile device. And in order to log in again, you will need to maintain your email, phone number, your Instagram nickname, and then your Instagram password, and this way you will get back to your page. Friends, this is how you can easily log out of Instagram on your mobile device. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, make sure to put your likes, and see you soon.